What are we doing today, Doc? Today I am replacing some irrigation heads, and I thought I'd walk you through because a lot of people think it's complicated, and it really is just like a 5 or 10 minute ordeal to do this. But I also wanted to show you the different types of irrigation heads. I got done fishing this morning, obviously. Let me see if I have one of the larger ones. I do not have one. Oh, yeah. So here we go. Okay. So this is a standard rotor. This is what mostly when it has that line that goes across back and forth. And this is a 3/4 inch thread at the bottom. Got it? That's what most of your rotor heads are. When you have pop-up heads, these small pop-up heads that sort of fan spray, they're usually 1/2 inch. However, they do make 1/2 inch rotors. Hunter and Rainbird both make them. I usually like the Hunter heads, but on these small rotors, for some reason, I kind of like the Rainbirds. So if you want to raise or lower your head, it's pretty simple. Here's an old pop-up head, and you can see that I've got these bricks here, and it's only coming up here and it's not doing a good job. So I am replacing a lot of these, which are the pop-up heads that do that fan spray with the rotors. The other reason is we're at the beach, and at the beach we have a shallow well, and this shallow well produces a lot of sand, and these pop-up heads get blocked. They have a filter inside that you got to clean out every year. You can take it out, but they just don't do well. So I'm replacing it with rotors. So here we go. Okay, so one of the confusion points is the adjustment. There's an arrow here, and then you have the plus and minus, which determines how much the thing can swing. On a Rainbird, the left side is fixed. On a Hunter, the right side is fixed. I don't know why I don't do them all the same, but so when you go minus and plus on a Rainbird, the right side will be adjusted, how much it goes back and forth. And so what I like to do is I like to, before I put this in, I want to put my arrow where I want it to go, and then I'll adjust it. That's about right. I put it back. So I know that that side, when I finish screwing this in, that's where it's going to point. Okay. The other thing, let's say you want to move this up or down. These are almost all done the same, folks. Whether you have a main 1 inch underground pipe or whatever, they'll run 1/2 inch funny pipe, which is a flexible hose. And you can see it possibly down here. See that right there? That's that flexible funny pipe. Then there's a little 90-degree elbow that's threaded, and you can raise this up and down. If you dig far enough in here, you can raise that up and down. So you can move it up and down. It's pretty simple. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna unscrew this because I know that it's, so I'm going to unscrew this, and you'll see that it's basically threads sitting there. And then I'm gonna thread this one back on. And I know that I left my arrow pointing to my left side over here. So as I start to get tight, that's where I want my arrow. I sort of want the right side to stop there, and I want it to go around here, so that's perfect. So I can lift this up if I want. I can put some dirt under this pipe and raise it up some. And then I'm just going to backfill it and make sure it's kind of level, or if I want to tilt it up a little bit, I can tilt it up. Just refill your hole, and that's pretty much it. You're done. Then go ahead and do your adjustments. Just make sure, remember, your lawnmower is going to be coming over this, so it needs to be filled. Don't want the lawnmower cutting off your irrigation head. And these are those little pop-up heads that always get blocked. They always get blocked, and there's a filter inside. If you have these and they're not performing well, when you open this up, there'll be a filter inside here that needs to be replaced or cleaned, by the way, if you want to keep your pop-up heads. forget to get wet. So let's put on zone number 3 next. Let's just run it for a few minutes and see what happens, because I know I'm going to have to adjust all these. Oh, so much better. So much better, folks. So much better than those stupid pop-up heads. And so I've got these little pins that mist out the spray. I've got them all the way down. Unfortunately, you can't go any tighter than that, but so much better. Now I don't have to worry about cleaning them out every year. Basically, when you run your irrigation system, you want your head to go, you want the water to go head to head, head to head. That's how you want it to cover. That is just running perfect. So much better. I do have one hunter over there. I don't like that hunter. I'm going to replace it with a rainbird. So it's a little bit hard to see, but I finally do have germination here. Got all kinds of little Bermuda germinating. I planted Bermuda and centipede out here. And like I said, in about 6 weeks, this lawn will look great. But that's it. That's how you replace the heads. Give it a thumbs up. I'll talk to you later. Doc.